Hello everyone, it's Jim again. Today, I'm going to be doing another brand new reaction video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to BlizzardPeak of a video of his that he recently uploaded like 7 hours ago. In the video of his I'm going to be reacting to is called Doritos Golden Sriracha Review. So yeah, I'm going to be reacting to it. So now, baby, let's get the video right now.
Hey guys, BlizzardPeak here. Hope you're doing good. And today we are going to be trying. I didn't even know these were a thing until I saw them at the store the other day randomly. So it was an impulse buy, a spur of the moment thing. I saw them and I'm like, yep, that's a YouTube video. But we got Doritos Golden Sriracha. Golden Sriracha flavored Doritos. It's got gold bag, gold color. Back it says, this bold twist on Sriracha is pure gold. It says new up in the corner anyway. Golden Sriracha flavored Doritos by Frito-Lay Incorporation in Plano, Texas. 140 calories per serving. Serving size is around 11 chips. 7 grams of fat. 150 milligrams of sodium. 1 gram of dietary fiber. And 2 grams of protein. Sugars less than 1 gram. And a bunch of ingredients. And it's Golden Sriracha Doritos a try. Ooh, smells interesting. Oh, they even kind of have a goldish hue to them. It could just be the bag as well, though. Although the bag is silver on the inside. Hang on. Yeah, hold on. You can see the inside. Almost smells like Korean or Chinese food, like spices or scent. Let's give it a try. Of that gold dust, yellowish gold Dorito chip dust on my fingers. These are actually quite good. They're tasty. They got some heat to them. I kind of like them. Fingers are covered in the dust now. Doritos. Golden Sriracha, tangy and sweet. There's like a sweet heat to them. BlizzardPeak approved. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you all have a very blessed day. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for supporting the channel.
I do apologize again, Dad. I do apologize for that.
That doesn't strike you as old. Why is...
So yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this reaction. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then you don't care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos, each videos, and other videos to reach out to your friends and else if you want your choice. Because I am making it. So yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to BlizzardPeak if you do. Subscribe to the channel. I mean, subscribe. If you have yet. Make sure you're putting on the 3 subscribers on the back of the channel, 2.0, in the gaming channel, 13 Gaming, Bob number 2, 100 subscribers, and so yeah. And that's the end of this video. And I'll see you all more more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Sign out. Peace out, legends. Peace out, everyone.